welcome or welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I'm Leanne and this is Babybel. We share everything mum and baby related, and today I'm going to take you through how we did Babybel's DIY at-home birthday photo shoot. Cake smashes have started to take off in the UK over the last couple of years, so we wanted to do something like that to celebrate Babybel's birthday. But she hasn't actually tried cake yet. We're saving that for her party next week. So we've done this with a melon tower cake instead. What I'll do is I'll do a separate video so that you can see how we made that, because it's actually quite a bit easier than I thought it was going to be. We were originally going to do this in the living room because we've got a lot more natural light in there, but it's currently being refurbished and the bare plaster will suck all the light out. So we decided to change it to the kitchen. So here I am just putting down some foam mats just to make it a bit more comfortable for Babybel, and then we're using a backdrop here as just a little floor covering. While I was getting Babybel dressed in her special photo shoot outfit, John was putting together the backdrop and the stand that holds it and everything, but he actually forgot to film it. But this is it here. The stand we got from Amazon, the backdrop and the flooring both came from AliExpress, and then the one boxes were also from Amazon. That is our little melon tower cake that we made, that we put together, and we just sat Babybel down in front of it and let her just do whatever she wanted to do with it. Now, we were quoted by a professional photographer at £600 to have a photo shoot done, and I was like, oh, okay, that's a little bit out of price range at the moment, so let's try and do it ourselves. Obviously, I know that the photos aren't going to be as good as if it was a photographer, but I thought we'll give it a go. Let's see what happens. We paid £40 for the stand, £9 for that wooden flooring backdrop, and then £9 for the rainbow backdrop that we've got there. And then I think the boxes were about £10, and then I just had a load of balloons because I use them for the party as well. And then I just took photos and a few videos as well, just to show how we'd done it. None of this is particularly elaborate, but the photos are actually really good. Babybel seemed to really enjoy herself just getting stuck in. She hadn't tried that squirty cream before either, so it was all firsts for her as well. And this is just another shot so you can see just how basic it is. It is just in the middle of our kitchen, and then on the right there is one of the lights. So it's a set of two lights, really bright, really good lights. The lighting was £74, but I'm also going to use it for filming future YouTube videos as well, because obviously it's coming into winter now and it will be a little bit darker. And I've got to say, I am really happy with how the photos come out. As I said, they're not professional by any standards, but I think I managed to capture some really good shots there, so I'm really happy with them. And the backdrops were really easy to wipe down as well, so just wipe them down quickly after this. You can see there's not a huge amount of mess there. Gave them a quick wipe down, and then we used them again at Babybel's birthday party.